So to review our results, so we find that there are several significant factors in the relationship between muscle activity and the relationship between bar speed, bar path, and the moment arms. The angle of the shoulder shows a negative correlation between the lats and the front delts and the actual motion range. The I don't exactly know what that means, or rather, as the activity of the delts and the lats increases, the motion of the angle of the shoulder, so flexion, abduction, adduction, and extension decreases. The authors don't really have a hypothesis on that as well. Um, and there's a significant difference in muscle activity, bar path, bar speed in the descent and the ascent. So, what are the practical applications that we can take from a study like this? So, we can program different variations of the bench press to target the muscle sequence activation for a heavy single like a paused bench press, to really get the pecs firing faster. Also, tricep work, as the triceps are going to be the highest, going to have the highest magnitude amplitude uh, of EMG activity for your top single. Close grip variation might be effective as well. As far as your bar path deviation, there you may see a slight deviation in bar path between 70% of your one rep max and also 100% of your one rep max. Your bar speed, of course, is going to slow down on the ascent as the weight gets heavier, but your bar path and bar speed should not, or based on this study, there's no significant effect of bar path and bar speed on the descent. Practicing singles for movement fluidity, that is, as you go through the acceleration zones, so as the bar speeds up and slows down, as the muscle sequence, the muscle activation sequence turns on, say the triceps and the pec major from the front delts and the lats, begin to move in a nice rhythm through that. And lastly, part of the muscle activity is not only required to produce force against the barbell, but also to stabilize the joints.